Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best survival kit is probably one of the most crucial preparations anyone can make, whether you're a seasoned prepper or just a casual viewer. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes a top-tier survival kit, covering everything from essential supplies to strategic considerations. Get ready to gear up because we're about to explore the ultimate defense against the undead. Number 5. Open Seed Vault 32 Variety Heirloom Vegetable Seeds. This kit offers 32 different heirloom vegetable varieties. It provides a comprehensive assortment to diversify your garden and ensure a bountiful harvest. With 15,000 plant seeds, this pack is designed to produce a substantial amount of fresh, homegrown vegetables. It supports both small and large-scale gardening projects. All garden seeds are non-GMO and heirloom. This ensures natural growth and the ability to save seeds for future planting, promoting sustainability in your gardening practices. This seed vault serves as a valuable addition to survival gear and emergency supplies. It provides a reliable food source during unforeseen circumstances. Growing seeds for planting vegetables promotes a sustainable lifestyle. It lessens environmental impact while offering a rewarding, hands-on approach to healthy eating. What we like. This seed kit offers a wide variety of non-GMO heirloom seeds, ensuring you can grow your own food. It provides a sustainable food source during uncertain times. If you are planning for long-term survival and self-sufficiency, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent germination rate. The seeds gave me so much. I couldn't believe how much it produced. We are new to this, but now's the time to practice. We started all of the seeds a month early indoor because we live in a cooler climate in a higher elevation in Ontario and have a shorter growing season. We were very pleased with the germination and the quality of the vegetables and have purchased them again for next season. You will taste the difference. Number 4. Go Time Gear Life Tent, 2-person emergency shelter. This Go Time Gear Life Tent is a compact emergency shelter. It's crafted from durable PET Mylar, which reflects 90% of your body heat to keep you warm. It's perfect for winter camping and hiking, ensuring protection in all weather conditions. Weighing only 8.7 ounces, this waterproof and windproof emergency tube tent is essential. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, a must-have for your camping and hiking gear. Setting up this life tent is easy. You can set it up between trees or anchor it with rocks for stability. It can also function as an emergency sleeping bag, adding versatility to your survival kit. This emergency hiking shelter includes a 120 decibel emergency whistle. It also comes with a robust 550 pounds parasync drawstring. These are crucial components of your hiking safety kit. Trust this life tent as a reliable piece of camping survival gear. It completes your survival essentials, ensuring your camping supplies are top-notch with this trusted emergency tube tent and other hiking essentials. What we like. This survival shelter is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. It reflects body heat, keeping you warm in cold conditions. If you are looking for a simple, portable shelter for hiking or emergency situations, it is a great option. What people say. The compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for carrying on any outdoor adventure without adding much bulk. The tent's tear-resistant polyethylene material is highly durable, and it provides solid weatherproof protection by reflecting 90% of body heat, great for harsh conditions. Setting it up was straightforward, thanks to the included paracord. The Mylar material does a great job reflecting body heat, ensuring warmth even in cold, windy conditions. Number 3. Surviveware 238 PCS Survival First Aid Kit. This kit is packed with essential first aid and survival supplies. It's designed to help you handle medical or emergency situations, whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a natural disaster. Inside, you'll find labeled compartments to keep everything organized. This makes it easy to quickly find what you need in an emergency, without wasting time searching. The kit is made from durable, rip-resistant 600D polyester. It's also water-resistant, with internal components protected in laminate pouches, ensuring it can withstand any outdoor adventure. It features a removable Velcro system for easy attachment to your backpack or vehicle. The D-rings allow you to attach it to roll bars, making it versatile for various situations. This emergency first aid kit was designed by adventurers, for adventurers. It's thoughtfully designed to give you peace of mind on your next outdoor trip. Plus, it's FSA/HSA eligible. What we like. This first aid kit is packed with essential supplies and is designed to be durable and easy to use. The organized compartments make it easy to find what you need in an emergency. If you need a reliable and well-organized first aid kit for outdoor adventures or emergencies, you should consider it. What people say. Beautifully designed and packed comprehensive first aid kit suitable for home, office, or outdoor use. Everything as advertised, well organized, and it's shipped very quickly. Unlike some other kits, this one comes with a splint and quality accessories such as fabric scissors and tweezers. Bag is a MALS system with 2 handles, buckle strap, sturdy zippers. Having received the kit, I am impressed with how well thought out it is. The bag is separated into compartments, each labeled with the type of contents, wound closures, eye pads, gloves, wound dressing, etc. Each section of the bag is accessible and no items are hidden, very important in an emergency situation. The bag itself feels like it will last a lifetime, and it has a number of different attachment points methods so that it can be stored or carried in a convenient manner. Products. This is a very clean organized pack with everything individually labeled, which is great for emergency situations where every second counts or if you just don't know where to put things. Other packs you may have to take everything out just to get a band-aid. Also, although not waterproof, everything comes bagged, so if water does go in, there is more added protection. The band-aids, shears, tape are all decent quality. The CPR mask is cheap and kind of useless for me, but better to have than not to have, and it comes in its own pack, which is nice, so you can remove it and clip it somewhere else on your pack. As for the product quality, size, cost, and organization, I think this is the best pack out there. The pack is made of good material, and good zippers. I love the pocket in the front for quick access to Benadryl or Advil or Tylenol without having to open the kit. Also, the MALS straps work well to attach to my bug-out tactical bag. Once again, this pack was extremely well thought out. Number 2. Survival Gear Kit, Ideal Gifts for Men. Looking for the perfect gift? This survival kit is an excellent choice for any man. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. This kit includes everything needed for emergencies. It contains 30 essential camping accessories, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this gear is built to last. You can rely on it during your outdoor adventures. It's designed to be portable and easy to carry. Its compact size allows you to take it anywhere, fitting easily in pockets or backpacks. This kit is suitable for a wide range of activities. Whether it's camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure, it has you covered. What we like. This kit includes a wide array of tools and equipment for various survival scenarios. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. If you like having a comprehensive set of tools and gadgets for outdoor adventures or emergencies, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great compact kit for hikers, campers, and scouts. We purchased it for our grandson in Scouts and were impressed with the value and compactness of the kit. Everything was well packaged. It's a nice compact starter survival kit. The container is sturdy plastic. This thing has everything. The case and mostly everything is made from good quality stuff, is small enough to fix in a backpack and still have plenty of room for more stuff in your bag. Easy to carry just about anywhere, and for the value it's a great deal because everything functions just as it should. Number 1. Swiss Safe Mylar Emergency Blankets, 10-pack. These emergency blankets are designed to retain up to 90% of your body heat. They are perfect for any emergency situation, ensuring you stay warm when it matters most. Built with military-grade Mylar, this blanket is ultra-compact and fits easily into your backpack. It's the perfect travel companion, ensuring you're always prepared without the bulk. Don't let the lightweight design fool you. This blanket is constructed to withstand harsh conditions and is hard to rip. It's light enough to carry anywhere, essential for survival kits. This Mylar thermal blanket is not only waterproof but also versatile. You can use it as ground cover or shelter. Its waterproof nature makes it indispensable for outdoor activities. With every purchase, you'll receive a bonus space blanket. This smaller version offers the same heat retention and waterproof benefits in a more compact size. It ensures you're prepared for anything, anytime. What we like. These blankets are designed to retain body heat and are waterproof, making them ideal for emergencies. They are also portable and compact, so you can easily carry them with you. If you are looking for a simple, lightweight way to stay warm and dry in an emergency, you should consider them. What people say. Made from durable and tear-resistant Mylar material, they are designed to withstand harsh conditions and provide reliable insulation. The blankets effectively reflect and retain up to 90% of body heat, ensuring that you stay warm even in cold environments. Each blanket is individually packaged, making them easy to store, carry, and distribute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.